Uh, Good evening, candidates. Now we are continuing on current affairs one-liner, international. Where was the International Fund for Agricultural Development, that is IFAD, 43rd Governing Council meeting held? The answer is Rome in Italy. Where was the third edition of the Global Ministerial Conference on Road Safety held? It is in Stockholm, Sweden. Recently, which country removed the developing tag for India? It's a developing country. The tag was removed for India by which country? The answer is USA. Recently, which country has test fired 600-kilometer range RAAD-2 missile successfully on land at sea? The answer is Pakistan. According to a report of World Population Review, what is the rank of India in the largest economy of the world list? The answer is fifth. Which nation has celebrated its 70th National Democracy Day on 19th February? 70th National Democracy Day on 19th February. The answer is Nepal. Recently, who has inaugurated the Indian Pavilion at the Berlin International Film Festival? S. Jaishankar, the Union Minister. The International Mother Language Day is celebrated by the United Nations on which date? 21st of February. Where was the seminar on Indian defense equipment organized by the High Commission of India in Bangladesh? The answer is Dhaka, capital of Bangladesh. According to the report of World Health Organization, what is the rank of India at Child Flourishing Index 2020? The answer is given as 131. In which city the 19th edition of the World Productivity Congress will be held? Bengaluru, capital of Karnataka. Which editor has entered the Limca Book of Records for films edited in the most number of languages? The answer is Srikar Prasad. I think he must be from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. Which country has taken the presidency of the United Nations Security Council for March 2020? The answer is China. Which country has become the first country in the world to make public transport free to reduce traffic pressure on the road? Luxembourg. It's because when more people use public transport free of charge, automatically the need for driving individual vehicles will come down. Recently, which country has launched 2 short-range missiles into its eastern sea? The answer is North Korea. What is the rank of India in the Global Animal Protection Index? The answer is second. Next, which Indian mountaineer has successfully scaled Mount Kosciuszko, 2,228 meters, the highest mountain peak in Australia, in the month March 2020? The answer is Bhavna Deharia. Now comes financial awareness. What amount of loan agreement has been signed by the World Bank and the Government of India to improve the India's groundwater requirements? The answer is US dollar 450 million. How much Moody's, that is credit rating agency, has reduced India's GDP growth forecast for 2020. It is 5.4%, but now it has no relevance because of the corona problems. It has now come to negative. Jeff Bezos has announced to launch of Bezos Earth Fund to combat climate change. He is the CEO of which company, which most of us use? The answer is Amazon. Amazon. In fact, India we have Amazon.in also. Gujarat government signed an MOU with which bank to facilitate approval of loans to entrepreneurs in the MSME sector with ease and within a short time frame? State Bank of India. What is India's economic growth rate for finance as estimated by OECD? This also has no relevance, 5.1%. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has imposed withdrawal limit for 50,000 for depositors of which bank for a month that has since been withdrawn? The answer is Yes Bank. Recently, which bank has waived off the minimum balance charges on all savings bank accounts? It was State Bank of India. UPI app PhonePe has tied up with which bank for UPI transactions? It is ICICI Bank. It's because they were having tie-up with Yes Bank, and when Yes Bank went on moratorium, they had a problem. So they had to come out of it, and so it was transferred to ICICI Bank. Recently, Chalasani Venkat Nageshwar has been given the additional charge of Deputy MD and CFO of which leading bank? The answer is State Bank of India. Economist Intelligence Unit released the Inclusive Internet Index. What is India's rank in Inclusive Internet Index? 2020 46. Sunil Gurbaxani has been appointed as Managing Director and CEO of which bank for a period of 3 years? The answer is Dhanalakshmi Bank. It's in Kerala. Which company announced to launch a 100 into 100 into 100 program for B2B startups? The answer is Microsoft. B2B means business to business. Recently, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development has sanctioned 400.64 crore rupees for which state or union territory? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. What is the name of the campaign which was launched by the National Payments Corporation of India to promote UPI as easy, safe and instant mode of payment? It is UPI Chalega. According to a Reserve Bank of India's report, in the last 5 years, cash withdrawal in India is second only to which country? Acha, the China is leading in that cash withdrawal. But of course, now it would have come down because people are not willing to go to bank in person. People are willing to do transactions through internet or mobile, as the case may be. Even I do say transactions through UPI only. Former India opener Wasim Jaffer has picked ex-India skipper MS Dhoni as captain of his all-time IPL playing 11. So these are the points in this one. I think we can go for one more minute. Sports. Haryana government has decided to give 6 crore rupees to players of the state that bag gold medals at the Olympic Games, where will be 2020 Summer Olympic to be held. I think Tokyo, it has been postponed. Bhavna Jat qualified for the 2020 Olympics. She is related to which sports? Athletics. Who has won Cairns Cup chess tournament recently? Koneru Hampi from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. Who has won the 77th Senior National Squash Championship in men's category? Saurabh Ghosal. Who has won the 77th Senior National Squash Championship in women's category? Joshna Chinappa. Who won gold in the 87 kilogram Greco-Roman category in Asian Wrestling Championships? Sunil Kumar. Who has become the second Indian woman to win a gold medal at the Asian Wrestling Championship? Divya Kakran. So these are the points we will cover for now. Maybe in the next one we will try to cover the balance points. Yeah, I think that will be over in the next one. After that we can also see about abbreviations and other things. Candidates, many of you are requesting me how to study current affairs. Only by reading newspapers, by using one or two websites, and also by going through magazines like Mica, Banking Service Chronicle, and all that. You'll be able to improve, and also follow channels like ours. Thank you so much. Whenever you come across important point, make a note. Best wishes. Thank you.